We all want that clean, sharp V shape that makes any t-shirt look better, but most people ruin their back training without even knowing it. Good news? You don't need a gym, machines, or heavy weights. Just 4 bodyweight moves done right that can literally transform your upper body. Stick with me until the end, and you'll know the exact exercises, the right form, the mistakes to avoid, and even a 7-day plan you can start today to build a wider back, a slimmer waist look, and that iconic V-taper. Remember to subscribe to the channel. First move, scapular pull-ups. This is the foundation. No, you're not pulling yourself up yet. You're teaching your shoulder blades to move the way they're supposed to. Hang from a bar, relax the shoulders, then pull your scapula down and back without bending your elbows. This activates your lats like nothing else. Think of it as turning on the back switch. Second move, wide grip, bodyweight rows. Use a low bar, table, rings, whatever you have. The key is going wide. Support yourself with only the heels lightly touching the floor. Pull your chest toward the bar, squeeze the shoulder blades, and keep your elbows flaring outward. This builds the upper back width that creates the top part of the V. Move 3. Lat focused. Hanging knee, raises. Yes, knee raises for your back. Hang from the bar, lean slightly back, and pull your elbows down as you lift your knees. Your lats fire hard, and your lower abs get a bonus burn. This trains the lower part of the V shape, right under the lats. Move 4. Back extensions, floor or bench. You can do these on the ground if nothing else. Lift your chest off the floor, squeeze your glutes, and keep your arms overhead in a Y position. This strengthens the spinal erectors, giving you that deep, athletic back definition and posture that makes the V shape stand out even more. What are some common mistakes while building the V shape using arms instead of back? If your biceps are dying, you're doing it wrong. Shrugging the shoulders. This kills the back activation instantly, relying on momentum. Slow down. Your back needs control, not swinging. Skipping scapular work. If the shoulder blades don't move right, the back won't grow right. Training only pull-ups. Great exercise, but not enough for a full V-taper. Now that you know all these exercises, I'll quickly help you by giving you a simple routine that you can apply over the next 7 days and see those results. Day 1, we are going to focus on the scapular pull-up mastery. Do around 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Day 2, we move to the wide rows and back extensions. Do 3 sets rows plus 3 sets extensions. Day 3, the lat-focused knee raises. Give me 4 sets of 8 to 12 with controlled reps. Day 4, technique. Film yourself or watch yourself in a mirror as you make each movement to focus purely on form. Day 5. Now we start with the full routine, all 4 moves. Do 2 rounds total. Day 6. Light mobility and scapula. Keep everything loose. Day 7. The test day. Try full pull-ups or rows to feel the difference. Follow this for 1 week and you'll feel your lats actually engaging. Most people never get that feeling. If you want a full home back day routine using only body weight, hit the like button and comment V-shape so I know to make it next. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video.